Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. One of the reasons that I love this job so much is that it allows me to fulfill my purpose. And my purpose in life is to invest in others to help them to be in a better place, respecting and valuing their journey and supporting them through life's challenges. And when I signed up with the SFM now about 18 months ago, I was really pleased that there were a lot of like-minded people here in this community and people that would help support me, people that would invest their time in me to help me make a success of this business as an affiliate of SFM, selling and marketing their products. So I just wanted to make sure that, every day I try and talk to at least one person that perhaps has signed up as an application or as an essential or as an elite member within SFM to see what I can do to help them. And it's really my chance to do something, for other people to help them be supported in the same way that I was supported when I joined 18 months ago, and the reality is I felt supported ever since then. So maybe I've already had that call with you, perhaps I've already spoken to you, but if I haven't, can I encourage you to reach out to me, that if you signed up as an application or as an essential member or an elite member with SFM, reach out to me by using my contact details on my website, which is peter@peterbolton.com. I'll put the website address in the bottom of this video, and just sort of reach out and sort of say, look, I've signed up with SFM, I'd like some additional help so that I can achieve the level of success that I'm after within this business, and then I will come back to you, have an arranged phone call, or perhaps even a Zoom call as we call it, and see what I can do to help you. Anyway, look, I'll let you have a great day. Take care.